Oh, I didn't get that right at all. Let me try this again. What's up, everybody? You know, user error is typically the problem. And speaking of user error, I got Jimmy.
What did I do?
He didn't do anything wrong. I just thought it was a perfect segue. He ordered up a full tote. We're trying to figure out where to put it right now. I'm thinking I'm just gonna run the hose into his garage and just let it run on the floor. How's that sound?
Why don't you just spray it out here?
Yeah, why not? It's only 255 gallons.
Humic acid, right?
And some other stuff. How much do you like your lawn? So yeah, I was just absolutely, I was in the neighborhood. I actually was shooting a video last week, and apparently I drove by a relative's house, which I had no idea, and it was in the video.
Up in the B-roll.
It just happened to be in there. And Jimmy was like, you know, I know the person that lives there, and next time you're in the neighborhood, come by. I literally drove 2 blocks away from his house when I was out delivering stuff to one of my customers. So that was kind of interesting. So I'm here today, but only for a minute because I still have work to do. Actually, that tote right there is going to a customer that's about 20 miles from here, so I still have to go deliver that, and then I think that's my last one of the season, but just since I was in the neighborhood, I had to stop by and see my friend. That's
Appreciate you stopping by.
And how long ago did you seed it?
I didn't seed this at all.
We'll just cut that out.
Mowing it all the time and
all the
pushing
time.
it.
Yeah, it looks really good. Well, that's good. Okay, bye. I gotta go. See you, Jimmy.
Bye.
See ya.
Thanks for coming.
Yeah, I gotta get out of here. So, we definitely had to get a hammer. I am so thankful every day for this flatbed. I just ran out, dumped a full load with the dump trailer out at the landfill, and rolled over to Rasmussen Equipment to pick up this massive jackhammer that takes up the entire length of my flatbed. It's huge. And we're gonna get this thing on the machine and start just cracking away at those big, stubborn rocks that were in there. So, hopeful that this will be cracked down over the course of the next day or two is kind of the goal here. Sorry if the camera's bouncing, it's resting on the dash, so I don't have my gimbal or anything. It's just kind of hanging out there. But yeah, this is turning into a pretty sweet and hectic project. I think old bouncing around inside that machine is gonna start to wreak havoc on old Travis after a little while. So anyway, headed back up the hill. The air is smoky and gross. It's just got more work to do. What are we gonna be learning about today?
Filling hydraulic fluid.
In what?
And this machine, you see this hourglass right here?
Let's see. Yeah.
No fluid in it. Make it tick off this freaking star here.
I've got to go down to the garage to find a 18 half-inch socket. Since he can't seem to find that one, he's using a little bit of a big one, so it's going to end up rounding off those corners, which wouldn't be a good thing. What would be really nice is if I had a garage with tools in it up by where we were working. I mean, I think that would be nice. I'm planning on that being nice, because it always seems like when I need tools, they're always way down here, and nothing's up in the back where I need it. And then it's even better when you find what you need, and then you get a phone call that says, never mind, I found it. So now I can go, you know, back up to where I was a minute ago, up at the top of the hill. It's non-stop, I tell you. It's a big-ass rock. Welcome to the rock. Or shall I say, welcome to the rock. This is all boulder? Not really boulder, it's like a ledge.
2 times this week I broke my bucket. What did you do? Hit a boulder? That's no boulder. That's a ledge. What does that mean? Means we got a blast.
I'll show you a boulder that came out yesterday. Solid rock right in here. This backside still has to come down about another 3 feet. So all in all, from this back line across needs to go down about 6 feet all the way across that section. So the hammer is going to be bashing into this today. There's a couple of areas where there was some broken rock that could actually be gotten through that's sort of been picked over here, and Travis has just been using this as kind of a ramp, so this isn't quite as bad as it looks. This though, right here, this is a big solid piece, so that's going to get hammered on as well. So we're just going to see how much is going to crack and flake apart as we go. But the hole's getting pretty big. It's coming along. So the hole's moving along really well. It's really coming together. The jackhammer on the end of the machine has made a huge difference. So we're at about a 5.5 foot depth on the backside here, and I thought it might be fun to just test out a little rock crawling around here on these big piles of rocks that we've got. Maybe go up on that thing, go over that thing, crawl around up there. I don't know. You know, have a little fun with it while you got it. Shh, the boss is here. Come on, man. Pick that thing up. It's really too bad there's not a machine around here that can do that for you. He's got the new line. He's feeling good. He's feeling good about it. Oh. Boo. Oh. So close. Dang it. Wait a minute. Wait, hold on a second. Did we just find the first obstacle that you can't get over in that thing?
I think you get over.
I mean, you could get down it. I could skid it. I got enough travel. Boo! There he goes. Don't know.